First, the National Police Service tonight is on the spot over delayed remittance of monies to insurance companies for provision of group life cover and work injury benefits for police officers killed or injured in the line of duty. In a heated session before National Assembly's Public Accounts Committee, National Police Service leadership were at pains to explain why families of police officers who die in the line of duty have to wait for 3 years to receive their compensation. The insurance company awarded the contract is blamed for failing to pay claims amounting to 220 million shillings, as Gatete Njoroge now reports.
And which were various concerns over the fate of families of police officers who die in the line of duty and those injured by the enemies was the center of focus at the Public Accounts Committee sitting.
But now it's 3 years.
Members of Parliament took to task officials from the National Police Service and the insurance company over what they say is delay and frustration faced by families of fallen officers to get compensation funds. Some have to wait for 3 years for claims, which are supposed to be paid within 5 days after notification and submission of all documentations.
We want to understand, you have a contract, you have signed a contract. Why not meet the obligation within the as per the contract timelines and specifications? Is it this the claimant failing or delaying to submit documents, or is it exchequer issues to pay for the insurance? What is the major cause for this?
The insurance, most of the time, is not funded because of exchequer issues.
Our main constraint is actually premium. For us to be able to run efficiently, you pay, you get the full service.
With the Auditor General's report indicating that as at November 2023, the insurer had not paid over 220 million shillings owed to officers killed in the line of duty. The insurer says 97 cases amounting to 206 million shillings have been settled and that only 3 cases amounting to 6 million shillings are in the processing stages.
I'm very sure without summoning you, you would not have paid this money. I'm very sure. Even the next one you will pay when we summon, and we will be summoning and we will help the accounting officer to make sure that you pay.
The team was also taken to task over 4 stalled administration police service projects, which are at various levels of completion and where government could have lost over 38 million shillings.
What is this change?
MPs questioned how the cost of a proposed 3-story works of 24 units flats and a mess was inflated. The project, whose construction began back in 2006, was budgeted to cost 64 million shillings. The first contract was terminated after a contractor breached the terms and was paid 23 million shillings. It was advertised later and awarded to a different contractor who was to complete the project at a cost of 114 million shillings.
In the course of the original contract and the retendering, we are talking of a difference of how much? Is that 73 million? Is it fair to say that the taxpayer lost 73 million on this project?
There was no loss of funds. The increment was caused by the change of scope of work. The scope increased in retendering.
The MPs also questioned various construction works at different police stations where they say National Police Service did not get value for money.
Meeting is adjourned.
Gatete Njoroge, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
With the office